Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this loggerhead turtle in Fish It Roblox. I'm going to show you the location, the bait, and also the time you need to catch this mythic turtle in Fish It. So first, for the location, as you guys can see, I've already in the Kana Islands. So you can get this mythic fish in the Kana Island right here. So the loggerhead is one of the mythic fish in the Kana Island, and it can easily caught in any time and also any weather. And you can just use your best rod and bait combo, but personally here I'm using the Singularity Bait, also the element rod. So try your luck to catch the loggerhead turtle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.